how to fix not getting orders on DoorDash. So here are a few things that you can do to troubleshoot the app. You want to go and open up the App Store first. Use the search bar to search for DoorDash, and you just want to search for it and then go into DoorDash food delivery, and here if it says update, as it does for me, you just want to update the app itself. And also you can do that for the DoorDash, the Dasher app as well. So here, as you can see, Doordash Dasher, you have the option to update it. Alright, so once you have done this, the second thing will be going, or the second method will be going into settings and searching for iPhone storage. So we're just going to search for iPhone storage, like so. Click on iPhone storage here, and you want to find the Doordash Dasher app here. So you can sort this by name. So we're going to do that. And right here, I'm just going to go show all. You want to go to the DoorDash here, you should be able to see the Dasher app as well. So here we have Doordash Dasher, and you want to click on offload app, and once you have offloaded the application, we'll just reinstall it. Alright, so this should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.